Here's a pair of the JBL Live 660 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to enter pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to two devices, and then how to factory reset these. So we're going to connect the two devices here. The first one is a Samsung Galaxy S25. This next one is an iPhone 16e. First thing is let's connect to this Samsung Galaxy S25. So let's first put this into pairing mode. So the headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on here, this button here. Let me just slide it up. Now I'm gonna wait for the light to turn on here. Now what I want is a blue blinking light, okay? It's not blinking blue here. So let me manually put it in pairing mode. There's a Bluetooth button on the bottom. So if I look down and I go all the way down here, there's a Bluetooth button here. Just tap it once. Now the light should be blinking blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's jump over to our Android phone. You may get this pop-up here. If you do, you can connect that way, but if not, no problem. You can just go right to settings. And then settings, we're gonna go to connections on this phone. We're gonna go to Bluetooth. And that spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here under available devices. It's still in pairing mode. The JBL Live 660 showed up right there. Let's tap on that. With Android phones, you will get a pairing request. Tap on pair. Voila. Okay, so now we're connected to this phone right here, all right? So now let me go ahead and turn these off. Now let's say I want to connect to this phone too, okay? Now, and then we're gonna be connected to both phones, okay? So now let me go ahead and turn these on first. I'm gonna turn it back on. Okay, so it's on. So now I get a blue solid light. The reason is because I'm connected to a device, which is that Samsung Galaxy S25. So how do I put this in pairing mode to connect to this iPhone now? Well, same thing. If I go under here, you have that Bluetooth button right there. I'm going to tap it once, and now it should be blinking blue. Now I'm going to go to my iPhone here, go right to settings, and then you want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. And then scroll down, and now see this little spinny thing here is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. It's in pairing mode. It did find a JBL Live 660 right there. Let me tap on that. Now we're connected. So now we're connected to both of these phones. So if I listen to music or watch YouTube video on this phone, it'll come from here. And then once I put that away and I jump on this phone and log in, and then if I listen to music or YouTube videos, then it'll come out of here. So we're basically connected to both. So now let's do a factory reset, okay? You want to do a factory reset if you just want a clean slate, or you have connecting pairing issues, or you hear static, or it keeps disconnecting, and so on. So we're going to factory reset these, okay? But the thing is, remember, I was connected to both of these phones. So what I want to do is do a factory reset and be able to connect back to this phone here. So what I should do is, on this Samsung Galaxy S25, let me go to settings. Let me delete it out of the Bluetooth pairing list. So if I go to settings, connections again, Bluetooth, and then you see it's paired device here. So let me click on the settings button here, and then I'm going to unpair. If you're on an iPhone, it says like forget device, okay? If you're on a TV, it may say delete, okay? So I'm just gonna unpair it totally. Now it's totally off of this phone here. Now let's just go ahead and factory reset these, okay? So the only thing you have to do is make sure it's turned on. It doesn't matter what light is here, okay? So it's still on. Now the only thing we're gonna do is press and hold two buttons, the volume up and the volume down. You wanna press and hold and just keep holding and wait until the light here starts blinking blue. So we'll do it together. Volume up, volume down, ready? Press and hold, now just wait. Hold it. It just turned off, now hold it, wait. Now it's turning back on, and now there is the blue light. The factory reset is done, and now it's back into pairing mode. And now I can go ahead and connect back to the same device, or connect to one of my other devices, or TV, or computer, or whatnot. I can just click on scan there. It's in pairing mode, and it should show up down there. There we go, 660. And I'll just pair it back. So I'm connected back to this phone right here. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.